Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. A child's jawline and defined cheekbones are often associated with striking beauty, I would say. It's a look that photographs incredibly well, giving your face instant dimension and making the selfies pop. But not everyone naturally has high prominent cheekbones, and sometimes, even if you do, the flat lighting of a camera can wash them out completely. That's where FaceApp comes in. According to the official FaceApp blog, the app has evolved far beyond just one tap feature. It now includes a full suite of aesthetic. Try to go into the granular detail with your facial structure. One user raved that the app allows you to go into complete detail with cheekbone structure, jawline, similar face, saying that other apps just don't compare to FaceApp's, I would say, realism at this point. We can transform a flat, round looking selfie into sculpted, I would say, industrial shot with just a few swipes. In this guide, I will show you exactly how to sharpen those cheekbones for a natural high fashion look. Fast and easy as usual, let's get straight into it. First, as you see here in these pictures, we have men, women, and all of this type. Start with a front facing photo like this. FaceApp works best with clear front-facing selfies according to many reviews. The reshaping features work most effectively when I would say like the face is kind of close to the camera and basically you can be able to see it without being obstructed by hair or hands. Then you can easily navigate to the face reshaping tools. Once your photo is loaded, you can look for the face reshaping tools as you see here. Then you can change every detail if you want to. That's the idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.